So the triple three rule or the 333 rule, whatever way you want to call it, it doesn't matter. What it is essentially, it's where you pick a three tops, three bottoms, and three pairs of shoes to really create roughly about 27 outfit combinations. And the reason why people use this rule, I personally think it's really helpful, is really to create a minimalistic approach to curating your wardrobe, curating a new capsule wardrobe, um, and just really simplifying your life in the mornings, like getting ready, whether you're rushing for work or you have an event or an outing. How it works is, as we said, we're picking three, three, three tops, bottoms, pairs of shoes, right? And that's meant to last about, I would say, for maybe roughly 3 weeks' time. So the purpose is really for it to last for a determined and limited amount of time. The point is that it really forces you to consciously think when it comes to your shopping habits and then also what you're choosing to keep in your closet. So it's a great tool for that, to experiment with minimalism as a general concept, to experiment with creating capsule wardrobes. Having said that, in creating your capsule wardrobe when you go out for shopping, it gives you that extra insight and prep for knowing what to look out for. It just makes it a little bit easier and less stressful. So say you already have three pairs of shoes, three pairs of pants at home that you've decided, okay, those are going to be part of my 333, and you're looking for a new top to match with those. Well, obviously when you go out for shopping, you'll already have an idea of pre-indicator of what you're looking for and what to shop for. It just makes it less stressful in terms of shopping habits. So it's great for that as well. Another reason why people may want to get onto the triple three rule is, say they have a specific event or a specific travel um, that they're trying to pack for, right? So, again, packing for a trip can always be stressful, especially when it's last minute. Like, we all know it too well, right? So, if you go into it knowing what your 333s are, it just limits the amount of clothes that you're filling your luggage with, especially if you know that you need to pack light or travel light. It's a fantastic tool for that. So, and it really still gives you a fresh outlook for a new outfit for a given amount of time, even though you're still recycling through the same three items. Again, those 27 outfit combinations. I think it's just such a great trick to be using, whether you're traveling, whether for a day to day life situation, and or for just, again, creating a capsule wardrobe and you just want to declutter in general in your life and simplify your life when getting ready in the morning. So yeah, give it a go. Try that 333 rule. Let me know how you go.